What's up everyone? In this tutorial we'll be showing you how to watch ESPN Plus on Roku. So make sure to stick around to the end to understand how you can do this. The first thing you'll need to do is to get a subscription to the service. You can get this through the Disney bundle or the Hulu with live TV. Then after that you'll need to access Roku. Now there are different Roku devices which could work for you, such as the Roku Stream Bar or the Roku Streaming Stick Plus. There are other options of course, but you can go ahead and pick one of them. Now, when you've gotten a subscription and a device, you'll need to start the ESPN app on your Roku device. Go over to Settings, select Video Subscriptions, then select ESPN Plus, and then log in. When you're asked to enter an activation code, you can enter this code at espn.com/activate on your computer or your mobile browser. Log into your existing ESPN account or create a new one, and this step will link your ESPN Plus subscription to your Roku device. It is also possible to subscribe to ESPN Plus directly through your Roku device. In order to do this, you will be following the same steps to get ESPN app on your Roku device. Then you can either sign up or select the ESPN Plus app at the top section or where you can find it. Or you could do this by going through settings and video subscriptions. If you already have your Roku PayPin set up, then you can easily pay for the ESPN Plus with that. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.